So Kina, what are we doing? Where are we
Alright,
at?
so we've got a first-time dabber right now and her lovely friend here that is smoking a blunt while she waits for her dab. And Dylan is executing it perfectly. We've got lemon cherry gelato batter. And she is crushing it so far. Would you know it's the first time? I wouldn't be able to tell you. You crushed it. Oh yeah.
Especially this batter is really smooth.
That is Tropicana Swing that I put in there. There might be a little bit of Scooby Snap.
That is big.
I know. I roll them thick. I roll them thick.
That's how it's done.
That's how I, yes.
That's how